Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Za'Kameleon, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I color my hair orange. The color I'm going to be using for today is Sunrise Orange by Adore, and we're going to get right into it, so keep on watching. Okay, so I have my orange. I'm just going to start applying this in the front first. Ooh. This is going to be bright. Get this color everywhere. Honestly, I might just do this with my hands because I feel like I'll be able to get more. Yeah. Okay. I look-y don't know if I should do a side that's kind of giving sunset vibes, or should I just do the whole thing? So as you can see, the waves is there. That's what I want. I was debating whether or not I should just do the whole thing, but I think I will have my whole head this color. Kind of scared for this color. I just had lime green hair, but I didn't make a video for it. But I plan on going lime green again, so next time I change my hair color, I'll make sure to do a video on how I get it again. I don't really think I have to put color on the sides because the side is not even really colored, but mainly the top I need to focus on. Yeah, I want this to be bright. I'm scared, y'all. Okay guys, so I went off camera, I did my makeup so you guys can see the full finished look. And how are we feeling? I love it. I think it came out great. Came out just the way that I wanted it to be. It's giving more so like a burnt orange type of vibe, but I really love it. This is it up close, waves on swim. And yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video.